Hi, today I'm going to walk you through how to use merchant controls on Float. To start, we're going to create a card. In this case, I'm going to do virtual, but this works for physical cards as well. And what you'll notice here is this new merchant controls section right under limits and controls. Here you're able to select the approved merchant categories for use with this card. Once you add the control, you'll see this modal pop up, which provides all the different categories of merchants that are possible to transact with, as well as a description of what's included in that category. As you click on them, they will deselect and the card is no longer able to transact with them. And if you make a mistake, you can just come down and re-add it. We also have a search bar here, so you can find what you're looking for pretty quickly. Additionally, you can deselect everything or select all if you want to do some quick edits. So in this case, I'm going to deselect alcohol and bar and apparel so that the card holder is not able to transact at a liquor store or a clothing store. And then click confirm, and we can see that only 24 categories are now approved for spend on this card. To show you what that looks like when spend is made at a non-approved category of merchant, we're going to click into a card here, and we can see that a transaction was declined with Uber. We also can see that the type of merchant is transportation, and we can see the decline reason here being that the merchant category was not approved for this card. If we believe this was a mistake and we want to edit the card to allow for transportation, all we have to do is go up to Edit Card, go down to the Merchant Controls, edit those, and we are going to add in transportation here. So we now have two categories approved for this card. I'm going to save those changes, and that is an instant change. So if the card holder makes a transaction again, they will be approved immediately. They are also able to see in the card restrictions panel which categories of merchant that they're able to transact with. And that's merchant controls.